Hello, how are you viewers again? I'm back. This is Ochwinyo, back here with our program, Asking for a Friend. I'm here today to ask again, why do we do these things? I need answers. There was a time I witnessed a marriage between cousins and I was really worried. And they said that it had to happen because there was a child involved. By the way, I appreciate the communities that embrace get-togethers. When get-togethers are allowed, such kind of things cannot happen. Now, let me bring you back to my story. I witnessed a marriage between cousins, really blood-related. And do you know what happened? They got married after a very bizarre ceremony. Let me explain how the ceremony went. They assembled the elders and the village people, and they took some meat. They covered the meat with a traditional basket. And inside that basket, there was a small bird, this small bird with very small legs, white and black feathers. That bird, it is believed that when it alights here, the first stop will be very many miles away. And now, the girl was sent to open that basket to remove the meat which was inside. When she opened that bucket, the bird flew away. And they believed that the bird went away with the kinship, and thus they were allowed to get married. Where on earth did you hear such things? How can a bird go with the blood relation? My dear friends, tell me why.
Ochwinyo TV. Asking for a friend.